It's Aaliyah's turn. Aaliyah's turn. Are you ready, Aaliyah? I don't think she's ready.
Not really.
She's not ready for this.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust.
What's up, y'all? We're here. Day. Shit, I can't even think right now. Day. Who knows? We're right here launching in our neighborhood. Boat launch. About to go meet up with the group and then take off to Panama City Beach. We'll see y'all there. Ooh! Ooh! Crazy? I didn't even get it on film. Heading out. Look at these. Look, I got back there. Fireworks? Y'all did? I know, I went to bed too. Come on, strong girl. Come on. This is part of riding a ski. You gotta take care of it. There you go. Let's see if you can lift it off. This is the other unicorn that finally comes out, Ashley. She's not drinking today. She doesn't want none of this.
So I thought I needed. Thought I needed.
Look how smooth it is. Oh, you're good. You're good. You had like about a foot left. What's up, Delon?
Man, I'm ready to roll through the storm.
We're ready. Are you ready, Aaliyah? I don't think she's ready.
Not really.
She's not ready for this. We just got done eating. It's Aaliyah's turn to ride all the way back to Destin. I mean, Fort Walton. Are you ready, Aaliyah?
No.
Are you ready?
No.
She doesn't look ready, y'all. What are we waiting on? What's up, y'all? So I look like shit. We had to beat. Do you see the light? We had to beat the darkness. It's crazy. And then, as you notice, I switched skis because it was a little too choppy for my knees, and we would have never beat the time to be here before dark. I was all, please baby, don't run out of gas. It's okay. We're almost there. And we made it.